Welcome. My name is Joe Morris with Advisor TV, bringing you some breaking news. It just happened in the last 24 hours. I want to bring you this breaking news update from Medicare.gov, the What's Covered app. We're going to talk about that. Today's webinar, this breaking news update, is brought to you by the Agent's Advisor, theagentsadvisor.com. So here we go. Let's get right into this. This update that I'm going to share with you here just launched at Medicare.gov is the What's Covered app. It just launched in the last 24 hours. It's Medicare's first mobile app, and we're going to get into it a little bit today. Basically, Medicare has rolled out this application to give seniors access to a experience, building a better experience for digital seniors. So if you're tech savvy, you're going to really like this. And moving on into the years to come, technology is going to be a big player in how we access our health care. So want to know what's covered? Find out on your smartphone. What does that mean? The What's Covered app is an application that you can use and download for free from the Medicare.gov portal. You can download it onto your mobile device. What's Covered helps you understand the health care coverage offered by Original Medicare Part A, hospital insurance, and Part B, the medical insurance. So when you get into what does that really mean, this is a free app. You can get answers to your Medicare coverage questions, see how much you'll pay for your out-of-pocket expenses and your Medicare. You can learn about the covered items and services covered by Medicare. You can see helpful notes and where to get more information. You can browse the free preventative services section of the app. I'm going to get into that. By quickly being able to find out if your medical service is covered, you can browse through the items, click on it, and find out whatever procedure or service is covered under your Medicare plan. You can find out exactly what's covered, whether it be a mammogram, is your specialist or home health care covered in the plan, will Medicare pay for crutches, walkers, or diabetic testing supplies, which is really a neat tool because it can answer a lot of questions for you. Preventive health coverage, such as common preventive services at no cost to you, that you can understand what those preventive services can do and help you keep you healthy, but finding health problems early when treatment works best and keep you from getting certain diseases. So there's some preventative side of this. So what's covered will help you also answer questions like why will my Medicare cover a service to help me stop smoking? Can I get a regular cancer screening? How often will my Medicare coverage allow me to get a bone mass measurement and so forth? So different procedures, you can calculate that and find out more information through this application. So no matter where you are, you can easily see whether Medicare covers the services you need. And that's a big deal. When you look at it, it's so simple, we're going to just try it. So you're going to download the free app right to your smart device. I haven't done it yet. Some in the office have, but I'm going to get into it right now. So we're going to just go into my phone, put in my password. I'm going to get into my Play Store. I use an Android. If you use an Apple product, you go to the App Store there. We're going to type in on this, what's covered. There it is right there. You see it, what's covered. There's the logo. Look for the white M with the green stripe. We're going to install this right now. It's going to take a minute. It's installing, so we're doing this live right now. It's done. We're going to open it up. There it is. This is that fast, that simple. So is my item or service covered? So we can type in, we'll say office visit. Click. It says no results, search another. Let's just say mammogram. It's covered. It's covered under Part B. Type another service. let's say cancer screening, lung cancer screenings, prostate. So it auto-populates. It looks to me like, well, you type something in. So let's say prostate cancer screening. It's covered under Part B. Let's try another one. Let's say diabetic. Okay. Prevention programs, screening, self-management training, eye exams, foot care. Let's just do an eye exam. It's covered. Let's look at what the costs are. Okay, this breaks down your Part B, explaining you pay 20% of the Medicare approved amount, and the Part B deductible applies. So once you meet your Part B deductible, you'll then pay 20%, unless you have a Medicare supplement, of course. So let's look under preventative services. We can look up preventative services. So Medicare covers these preventative services. Various screenings. Let's look at the next 5. The next 5. So it looks like this goes on and on and on. There's mammograms. Covered. Let's take a look at all items. So here we have an index. We can browse all the items and services under the all items and services. I need help? Call 1-800-MEDICARE or go to Medicare.gov. Let's click on the menu. Here's the home page. About this app. What's covered is a federal government application managed and paid for by the U.S. Centers of Medicare and Medicaid. Use what's covered to find many, but not all, of the health care items and services covered under Part A and Part B. Pretty cool. More information. If you can't find an item or service, talk to a doctor or other healthcare provider. If your doctor recommends a service, more often than Medicare covers it. Preventative. So you can see this is a pretty neat tool. For your tech-savvy seniors, this is a pretty neat tool here. For you as an agent or advisor, I highly recommend you get a hold of all your clients that have a smartphone, have them download this app, walk them through it, and this is a great tool. This is a lot better than having to sift through page after page of a policy, page after page of the Medicare and You guide. While those are all important and they should all be reviewed with your client, I highly recommend you use this new tool. The What's Covered app being offered by Medicare.gov, you can find it on your Play Store if you use an Android, and you can find it on the Apple Store and download it. You just saw me do it. It took seconds, and now I'm up and running, and you don't have a login. It's just a general app for you to find general information to give yourself peace of mind, knowing your clients will have access to the answers of the questions they may have. I want you to take a look at this. If you have any questions, call me at our office. You can call us at 877-886-4829 or shoot us an email at info@theagentsadvisor.com. Thank you for tuning in to this instant breaking news update, and we'll have a full training webinar specific to this new program offered by Medicare.gov. Have a great day.